Looking for tasty snacks that are good for your heart? Well, you're in luck. You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of heart-healthy snacks that are not only nutritious, but also incredibly delicious. I'm excited to share some mouth-watering snack recipes that are perfect for keeping your heart in great shape. These recipes are simple to prepare and packed with flavors that will make your taste buds dance. These snacks are loaded with essential nutrients, easy to whip up, and best of all, they taste absolutely amazing. So let's get started, let's dive in. First up, we have the ever-popular avocado toast. Avocado toast is a classic favorite for a reason. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. To make this delicious snack, simply mash a ripe avocado, spread it generously on a slice of whole grain bread, and sprinkle with a pinch of sea salt and a dash of lemon juice for a zesty kick. For an extra burst of flavor and protein, top it with some juicy cherry tomatoes or a perfectly poached egg. It's a delightful combination that will leave you satisfied. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt with berries. This snack is a powerhouse of nutrition. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which are fantastic for your gut health and overall well-being. Add a handful of fresh, vibrant berries like blueberries, strawberries or raspberries to your yogurt. These berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that support heart health. For an extra touch of sweetness and a boost of omega-3s, drizzle a bit of honey and sprinkle some flax seeds on top. It's a creamy, crunchy and utterly satisfying snack. Now, how about some homemade trail mix? This is a perfect on-the-go snack. Mix together a variety of unsalted nuts like almonds, walnuts and pistachios. These nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber and protein, making them a heart-healthy choice. Throw in some dried fruits such as apricots, cranberries and raisins. These add a natural sweetness and are packed with vitamins and minerals. For a bit of indulgence, add a small handful of dark chocolate chips. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants and can be beneficial for heart health when consumed in moderation. This snack is perfect for a quick energy boost and is loaded with antioxidants, making it a great choice for a heart-healthy diet. Another great option is hummus with veggie sticks. This combination is both nutritious and delicious. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are rich in fiber and protein. It's a creamy and satisfying dip that's also incredibly versatile. Pair it with colourful veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers and celery. These vegetables are not only crunchy and refreshing, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a crunchy and satisfying snack that's also incredibly nutritious. Perfect for a midday pick-me-up or a healthy appetizer. For those with a sweet tooth, try apple slices with almond butter. This snack is both sweet and savoury. Apples are high in fiber and vitamin C, while almond butter provides healthy fats and protein. It's a match made in snack heaven. Slice up an apple and spread a thin layer of almond butter on each slice. It's a simple yet satisfying snack that will keep you full and energized. For an extra touch of warmth and flavor, sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on top. Cinnamon not only adds a delicious taste, but also has anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, let's not forget about smoothies. They are a fantastic way to pack in a lot of nutrients in one go. A green smoothie can be a refreshing and heart-healthy snack. It's a great way to get your daily dose of greens. Blend together a handful of spinach, a banana, some frozen mango chunks, and a cup of almond milk. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. For added protein, you can mix in a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This will make your smoothie even more satisfying and nutritious. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a perfect way to start your day or enjoy as a midday snack. There you have it, folks. A variety of heart-healthy snacks that are easy to make and incredibly delicious. These heart-healthy snacks are easy to make and perfect for keeping your heart in tip-top shape. Incorporating these snacks into your diet can make a big difference in your overall health. Remember, eating well doesn't have to be boring. With these recipes, you can enjoy tasty snacks while taking care of your heart. Give these recipes a try and enjoy the benefits of a heart-healthy diet. Your heart will thank you. Thanks for watching, and take care of your heart. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.